Alright guys, just received the CarQI wireless.com wireless charging pad for Honda CR-V cars. Gonna unbox it and we're gonna install it. Now before you install it, make sure the car is off, the engine is off. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it here. Nice packaging, nice picture, nice heavy duty packaging. Let's see what we have inside here. So we've got instruction manual in English and other languages. Okay, we've got the wireless charging pad here. Okay, we've got a box, which I presume are the cords. So we've got a right angle USB with a USB-C connection. Okay, and lastly, we have cigarette lighter adapter to plug the USB into. So let's go ahead and install this. I'm going to be installing this on a 2019 Honda CR-V Touring Edition, but apparently these are compatible with any trim level of Honda CR-V's model year 2017 to 2019. So let's go ahead and do the install. So the nice thing having a USB-C is that you can plug it in any way in the back. So let's plug it in there, make sure it's nice and firm. Okay. Now let's plug our cigarette lighter adapter to our cigarette lighter in the compartment here. We're supposed to. Okay, it's nice and snug. Nice. I don't think that's not going to pop out. Okay. We'll plug in our USB. Okay, lower that just a little bit and pop that right on. Okay, and I'm going to turn the car on. Okay. There's a power switch, so let's turn that on. So the power switch is blue and the on is green. So it'll go through a little self-check and then turn off. So we still have the power. There's no light on, which means it's not charging. So let's go ahead and place a phone on there to charge. Now this is a iPhone 8 Plus with a fairly thick case. So let's see how it does on this. Pop it on the charger. You see the light turns green, which means it's charging. Okay. We have a charging indicator there, 55% with the charging indicator. So take that off. It's no longer charging. Put it back on. Charging again. So even with a thick case, it does a good job of charging the phone. So the nice thing about this is if you want to uninstall it, simply pop it off, take out the cigarette lighter adapter, and you're back to factory stock. I'm going to leave mine installed because I like it that way. I'm going to put that cigarette lighter adapter back in. Lower that a little bit. Make sure that cord is not caught there. There we go. There we go. Installed again. Turn it on. As soon as you unplug it, it automatically turns off. So we'll turn it on. Make sure that it's still charging. There we go. We got a charge. It's good to go. So you can purchase this from CarQI wireless.com, and it's a reasonable price, and it's easy to install, easy to uninstall. So I'd highly recommend it. Thank you.